Good morning, students. Let's start our new lesson. Lesson number 3, the keyboard. Till now, we studied about the computers and about the hardware and software. In this chapter, we'll study about the keyboard and different types of keys. So let's start reading. The keyboard is an input device that helps us enter text. It has keys that can be used in letters, numbers, and other characters. The keys can be used to do other things too. You already know about some of the keys on the keyboard. So, you know that a computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols into a computer. It is one of the most used input devices of all the times and are used to do other things also. It can be wired keyboard or wireless keyboard. Nowadays, like wireless mouse is coming, same way wireless keyboard is also there. And it has 6 different types of keys. You can see here the picture of keyboard and has 6 different types of keys. Here you can see this is your alphabet key. Here that is your function key. At the top of the numbers, that is your number keys and special character keys. This is your special keys, and here number keys, and this is your arrow keys. Special character keys also known as the modifier key. So let's start with the alphabet keys. The alphabet, there are 26 alphabet keys on a common keyboard. They are used to type the letters A to Z. The alphabet keys are in blue on the keyboard shown above. You can see here that is your alphabet key, that is in blue color. As there are 26 alphabet in English, so there are 26 alphabet keys in the keyboard, and it is used to write letters or paragraph in the computer. Now come to the next, that is your number keys. The number keys help us type the digits 0 to 9 on a common keyboard. Keys with numbers on them are found in 2 positions. One set, shown in pink, lies just above the alphabet keys, and the second set is a part of the numeric keypad, that is shown in green color. Here you can see this one is your one set, that is number 1 to 0, 0 to 1 you can say, and this is your next set of that is in the numeric keypad. So you know that number keys are also called as numeric keys, that this one in the numeric keypad, this is the numeric keypad. So this is also known as the numeric keys, and there are total 10 numeric keys from 0 to 9. There are total of 2 sets of numeric keys on the keyboard. First set is on the top row of the keyboard, this, that is your number key, and second is present on the number pad of keyboard. All the number keys have special characters or symbols printed on them, as these keys are also used for different purposes. Here you can see at the top special characters are printed, symbols are there and that are used for different purposes also. So next is your numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is a set of keys on the right side of the keyboard. It has keys for the digits 0 to 9. It also has some other keys like those for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The numeric keypad has a numlock key. Pressing this key turns numlock on. The numeric keypad can be used to type numbers only when numlock is on. Pressing the key again turns off numlock. Then the keys work differently, shown by what is printed below the numbers. So here just now I explained you about the numeric key. The same is the numeric keypad. Here it is given and same you can see in the keyboard. That is your numeric key. Just now I explained you. This is your numeric keypad. And this numeric keypad is a set of keys that is on the right side. Okay. Along with the numbers, it has other keys also like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, like that it also has these keys. And here numlock keys is also there. This is your numlock key. When you press this key, numlock will be on and you can use this keypad to type number. And again numlock, pressing it again, it off the numlock means it turns off. And the keys work differently. Okay, shown by the what is printed below the numbers. You can see here page up, page down and everything is given here. Then it is used for that purposes when the numlock key is off. Now come to the next. Here something is given. Look at the numeric keypad. The numbers are arranged as they are on calculator. This is useful for people who use calculators a lot. The numeric keypad is given in keyboard as the calculator because the person who are using calculator most can be used this keypad nicely. So next is your enter key. There are two enter keys on a common keyboard. Pressing enter while typing moving the cursor to the beginning of the next line. In many programs, when a button like OK is selected, you may press enter instead of clicking the button to start a task. So here in the keyboard you can see two enter button is there. Okay. One is this one and second this. And you know that it is used to move the cursor to the start of the next line, that is beginning of the next line. And in many programs when we have to select OK, that time when we are pressing enter, that instead of clicking the button to start a task, it will start the next step when we will press the button enter. Now come to the next key, that is your arrow keys. The arrow keys help move the cursor up, down, left and right. The numeric keypad also has 4 keys with arrows printed on them. You can see here 4 arrow keys is there, and this is also called cursor control keys. and it is used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Like when you use this arrow key, it moves the cursor upward. Same way this, move the cursor downward. This one to the right side and this one to the left side. It moves the cursor to the left, right, up and down. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.